A nourishing breakfast can set the tone for a happy and active day. And when it comes to our golden years, we deserve all the happiness and good vibes we can get. So today we're diving into 10 wholesome breakfast ideas that seniors will love and enjoy. Whether you're looking for inspiration or trying to add some variety to your morning routine, stick around. We've got something delicious waiting for you. Let's get cooking. No. 1. Yogurt parfait with berries and honey. This parfait is a delightful blend of creamy yogurt, sweet berries, and a touch of honey, making it a perfect choice for a nutritious and tasty breakfast. Not only does it offer a balance of protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats, but it's also visually appealing and satisfying. The protein in the yogurt helps with muscle maintenance and repair, while the berries provide antioxidants and vitamins. The addition of honey not only enhances the flavor, but also offers natural sweetness and additional nutrients. To make this parfait, layer yogurt, berries, and honey in a glass or bowl. Start with a generous helping of yogurt. Then add a handful of mixed berries such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries. Drizzle honey on top and repeat the layers until you reach the desired height. Feel free to experiment with different combinations and toppings like granola or nuts. It's a fantastic way to begin your day. Number 2. Scrambled eggs with smoked salmon and spinach. This dish combines the classic flavors of scrambled eggs with the richness of smoked salmon and the health benefits of spinach, creating a nutritious and satisfying breakfast option. The protein and healthy fats from the eggs and salmon provide essential nutrients for energy and muscle health. Spinach adds vitamins and minerals, making it a well-rounded meal. To prepare this, start by whisking eggs in a bowl. Season with salt and pepper. In a pan on low heat, add butter and spinach until wilted. Remove from heat and mix in the smoked salmon. Transfer the mixture to a plate and top with the scrambled eggs. Continue cooking until the eggs are set and fold in some fresh herbs like dill for added flavor. This dish is not only delicious but also visually appealing. The vibrant green of the spinach and the beautiful pink hue of the smoked salmon make it a feast for the eyes as well as the taste buds. No. 3. Oatmeal with nuts and dried fruit. This comforting breakfast option is not only delicious but also packed with nutrients. Oatmeal provides fiber and complex carbohydrates for sustained energy, while nuts and dried fruit add healthy fats, protein, and natural sweetness. To make this, bring water or milk to a boil in a saucepan. Gradually stir in the oatmeal and reduce the heat to low. Simmer until the oatmeal is cooked through and then remove from the heat. Top with chopped nuts, dried fruit, and a drizzle of honey. You can also add spices like cinnamon for extra flavor. Oatmeal is a versatile canvas for your culinary creativity. Feel free to experiment with different toppings such as sliced almonds, walnuts, raisins, or cranberries. This breakfast option is perfect for those who prefer a warm and hearty morning meal. Number 4. Whole wheat toast with avocado and tomato. This simple yet satisfying breakfast combines the wholesomeness of whole wheat toast with the creamy texture of avocado and the freshness of tomato. Whole wheat toast provides fiber and carbohydrates for energy, while avocado offers healthy fats and a creamy consistency. The tomato adds vitamins and a burst of flavor. To make this, toast a slice of whole wheat bread to your desired crispness. Mash half an avocado on top and season with salt and pepper. Add sliced tomatoes and drizzle with olive oil. This breakfast option is not only nutritious, but also quick and easy to prepare, making it ideal for those on the go. No. 5. Smoothie bowl with banana and spinach. Smoothie bowls have become a popular breakfast choice, and for good reason. They are a convenient way to pack a ton of nutrients into a single meal. This smoothie bowl starts with a base of frozen banana and spinach, which provides potassium and magnesium for energy and iron for oxygen transport in the body. To make this smoothie bowl, blend frozen bananas and spinach with almond milk until smooth. Pour the mixture into a bowl and top with your favorite fruits, nuts, and seeds. Some great options include sliced almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, or hemp seeds. Smoothie bowls are not only healthy but also visually appealing. The vibrant green of the spinach and the natural sweetness of the banana make for a stunning presentation. Number 6. Sweet potato and black bean burrito. This dish combines the flavors of sweet potato and black beans in a whole wheat tortilla, making it a hearty and nutritious breakfast option. Sweet potatoes provide vitamin A and fiber, while black beans offer protein and complex carbohydrates. To prepare this, start by baking or microwaving a sweet potato until soft. Mash the sweet potato with a fork and mix in the black beans. Season with cumin, chili powder, and cilantro. Warm up a whole wheat tortilla and fill it with the sweet potato and black bean mixture. Roll up the tortilla and enjoy. This breakfast option is not only delicious, but also provides a good balance of nutrients. Number 7. Whole wheat pancakes with fruit and maple syrup. Pancakes are a beloved breakfast classic, and whole wheat pancakes offer a healthier twist without compromising on taste. They provide fiber and complex carbohydrates, while fruit and maple syrup add natural sweetness and vitamins. To make these pancakes, mix together whole wheat flour, baking powder, and salt in a bowl. In another bowl, whisk eggs with milk and vanilla extract. Gradually add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients, mixing until just combined. Heat a griddle or frying pan on medium heat and cook the pancakes until golden brown on both sides. Serve the pancakes topped with fresh fruit and maple syrup. This breakfast option is not only delicious but also perfect for weekend brunches or special occasions. Number 8. Chia seed pudding with coconut milk and mango. This pudding is a delightful combination of creamy coconut milk, crunchy chia seeds, and the tropical sweetness of mango. Chia seeds are packed with fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, while coconut milk and mango add a rich and luscious flavor. To make this pudding, mix chia seeds with coconut milk and vanilla extract in a bowl. Let it sit in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours or overnight. Top with sliced mango and toasted coconut flakes. Chia seed pudding is a versatile dish that can be customized with various toppings and flavors. Feel free to experiment with different fruits and nuts to create your own unique masterpiece. Number 9. Greek yogurt with granola and berries. Greek yogurt is a protein-packed dairy delight that's a staple in many fitness and wellness routines. When paired with the satisfying crunch of granola and the burst of flavor from berries, you get a breakfast that's not only nutritious, but also incredibly enjoyable. The high protein content of Greek yogurt helps with satiety, keeping you full and satisfied throughout the morning. Granola adds a delightful crunch and complex carbohydrates, while the berries bring natural sweetness and a myriad of vitamins and antioxidants. To assemble this parfait, layer Greek yogurt, granola, and berries in a glass or bowl. Start with a generous portion of Greek yogurt, followed by a sprinkle of granola and a handful of mixed berries. Repeat these layers until you reach the desired height and enjoy this delightful breakfast treat. Number 10. Breakfast quesadilla with scrambled tofu and bell peppers. For our final recipe, we're adding a plant-based twist to the classic quesadilla. This breakfast quesadilla is filled with scrambled tofu, bell peppers, and a variety of your favorite toppings, making it a flavorful and nutritious option for vegetarians and vegans alike. The tofu provides a protein-rich base, while the bell peppers add a colorful crunch and a dose of vitamins. To make this quesadilla, start by scrambling tofu with turmeric for color in a pan. Bell peppers until slightly softened. Place the tofu scramble on one side of a tortilla, roll it up and toast it in a pan on each side until golden brown. Serve with salsa, avocado, and cilantro. This breakfast option is not only delicious but also customizable to suit your preferences. Feel free to add other vegetables or toppings to create your own unique masterpiece. And there you have it, 10 wholesome breakfast ideas that seniors will love and enjoy. From simple and satisfying options like whole wheat toast with avocado and tomato to delightful creations like chia seed pudding with coconut milk and mango, there's something for everyone to savor. Remember, a nourishing breakfast sets the tone for a happy and active day, so don't settle for boring morning meals. Explore these recipes, experiment with flavors, and make your mornings a delightful experience. And if you're looking for more ways to prioritize your health and well-being as you age, please don't hesitate to visit our website. We have a wealth of resources and information to support you on your journey towards healthy aging. Stay healthy, stay active, and keep enjoying the deliciousness of life.